walk side by side, nice and dry. And what's he doing? Leaving us in the dust.
Hey Darwin, slow down. Mark here is getting ready to tell us what we're getting ready to do.
Go up a goddamn hill. That's pretty much it. Come out there quick, hurry up.
We're a half mile away from camp. He's the leader. Ready for a hammock. We made it to camp, day one, 10 miles in. Everything hurts.
I'm good. I took it a lead.
I'm gonna smell good. GoPro, take a video. GoPro, take a video. Just hit the button. GoPro, take a video.
Rain.
What are you doing, Brad?
Remember we're hanging for a bit?
How you feeling?
My body feels good. The bottoms of my feet do not. But everything else is feeling good. I mean, sore in areas, but
Are you excited for 12 miles tomorrow?
I think the first 2 miles are gonna suck. And then when my body will feel a little bit better, you know, once we get into things, and then things will start going numb. I have a feeling at about mile 6 is when my feet still feel like they're on fire and I want to kill somebody.
Are you excited for dinner tonight?
Yes.
What are you gonna have?
I'm either gonna have beef stew or chicken and dumplings.
Sounds pretty good.
It's gonna be good. Cookies too. I eat cookies.
And bourbon.
And yeah, I might have a little bit of bourbon to help the pain, to help me go to sleep.
Then there's this guy.
Hey, hey.
Getting water. Here we go. Day 3, still going. Blisters and headache intact in a dolphin trail.
Shelter, water.
Yeah, there should be everything. So we go, that's about a half mile, so we'll go there, stop,
Good girl.
snack, water, we're moving. Hi.
What are you doing?
Taking a nap.
You're trying to take a nap.
Trying to take a nap.
So.
Last day, 10 miles left. Beer and burgers. I smell really bad. I've worn the same shirt 4 days straight. I think it can stand up by itself. I smell really bad. This is a test video of why Mark's an asshole. Mark, why are you an asshole?
Technically, I'm a dick. My middle name's Richard.
Is it? That makes sense. GoPro stop. GoPro stop. GoPro stop video.